Jeff. You made this?
AYB, like pipe him up, bro.
Same page. So what we're gonna do is start off with lightweight, middleweight, heavyweight, and then super hard. So to qualify your reps, we gotta come over there, touch the chest, and come up. It's up to you if you wanna pause, but the way you do it, you come to the chest and come up. Pass the first thing right there. Alright. So for the reps, when you're doing the rep, touch the chest and then come all the way back up as much as you can. Look, we will have a spotter. If you needed someone to rack it for you, you can do that. If you want to rack it yourself, it's up to you. Alright, and try to make it nice and clear. Nobody get hurt. Everybody sign away. You just want to have fun. And guys, best luck to the best man that comes out, alright? Any questions? Alright, well, let's get this thing started, guys.
Yes, sir. I got you. So eat. Next. That's all I need. One rep. On three, dog. On three. 2, 6. Heavyweight class. Let's go, baby. Pull me straight up in there. Yep. Yeah, that's
Stunning like a good girl, but I know you're nasty. I put a half. I know you're nasty. Huh?
There you go.
I'm still working. I'm just 75 pounds.
What you doing?
Remember that. I'm working.
Lightweight.
175. 75. What?
I ain't mad at you, baby. I ain't mad at you, baby.
Come on, baby. Maniac Fitness in the building, baby. Let's go.
so goddamn political. I'm happy. I'm gonna do better next time. Next time you gotta see me. Everybody wanna be humble. We come to lift weights, baby. Come in here and come get it. This what you wanna be. I'm who you wanna be. You came in here, you won, you ate the competition. It's not no, oh, I'm happy I got, no. You ate the competition. That's what we here for, man. Stop being humble, come get your shit.
Hi, I'm Michael Scott, from down here from Houma, Louisiana. I'm here participating in the Louisiana Hood Bench Wars. I want to say a couple of things about my new program I'm about to start. It's called Action to Change. What we're doing here at Louisiana Bench Wars, we're going to incorporate similar things to help people. My good friend Caesar, we are working to help the community. We want to reach out to adults, and we want to try to connect with those adults so that we can reach out to the children. I know that we're struggling these days with these type of situations, and these are joint efforts that we're putting together to reach out and help to build a better future for our communities and our families. And this is important to us as well as it should be important to you. Again, this is my friend Caesar. Louisiana Bench Wars. We had a great day today. We put it down. Again, Action to Change. If you want to reach out to me, my number is 985-347-7141. Again, I'm a mentor. My friend Caesar, he's a mentor as well. We're trying to collaborate and help people to build a better future for all of us. This is not just about any individual. This is for us all. Weights up, guns down. This is what we're about. Join forces with us. Peace.
All right, guys. Again, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram at Louisiana Hood Bench Wars. And if you got any questions, you can contact me or Caesar personally on Louisiana Hood Bench Wars. Again, our next event is January 20th. And my personal number, you can call if you got any questions. It's 985-647-2927.
And you can also reach me at 985-335-7224.